For anyone taking their first steps into the world of Forex, the idea of investing real money can feel overwhelming. It's a dynamic and highly volatile market where one wrong move could result in significant losses. But what if you could learn, practice strategies, and make mistakes without risking a single dollar? That's exactly what demo accounts offer. In this video, we'll dive into what they are, how they work, and why they are an essential tool for both beginner and experienced traders. A demo account is a virtual trading account that allows you to trade in the Forex market under real market conditions, but without using real money. Brokers offer these accounts as a way for traders to familiarize themselves with their platforms and test their trading skills before investing real money. While the trades are virtual, the market conditions you experience, such as prices, spreads, and charts, are exactly the same as in a real account. This means you can get an authentic market experience without putting your capital at risk. The primary benefit of a demo account is that it provides a safe environment for learning and experimentation. If you're a beginner, you can use it to understand how trading tools work, how to read charts, and how to execute trades. If you're a more advanced trader, a demo account is ideal for testing new strategies without the stress of losing money. Imagine you want to test a scalping strategy that requires quick decisions. A demo account lets you measure its effectiveness and make adjustments before implementing it in a live account. Another significant advantage of demo accounts is that they help you build the confidence needed to trade in a real market. By practicing consistently, you can learn to control your emotions in the face of market volatility. Most traders lose money because they let fear and greed take over their decisions. A demo account removes that pressure, allowing you to focus on making logical, strategic choices. However, it's important to understand that a demo account is not exactly the same as trading with real money. While the market conditions are real, the psychology of trading changes entirely when you know your own money is on the line. In a demo account, it's easy to be more aggressive or take risks you wouldn't take with real money. That's why it's crucial to treat it as a learning tool but with a serious and disciplined mindset, simulating how you would trade if you were using real capital. Additionally, a demo account can help you familiarize yourself with different trading platforms. There are many platforms available such as MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, each with unique features. Using a demo account allows you to explore their functionalities and choose the one that best suits your needs. Demo accounts are also valuable tools for fine-tuning your trading plan. You can experiment with different leverage levels, position, sizes, and risk management strategies. For example, if you want to test how leverage of 150 versus 1,500 affects your trades, you can do so without financial consequences. This helps you optimize your trading plan before risking your capital. In conclusion, demo accounts are one of the most useful and accessible tools in the Forex world. Whether you're a beginner learning the basics or an experienced trader perfecting a strategy, demo accounts give you the opportunity to explore, practice, and improve without risk. However, remember that a demo account is just the first step. What you learn from it must be applied with discipline when transitioning to a real account. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on Forex and trading strategies. Leave us a like if you found this information helpful. Share it with someone starting in trading, and let us know in the comments what topic or concept you'd like us to explain in the next video.